Welcome. This tutorial will show you how to generate a report from mission data, print it, and export it to PDF using Eclo ExpressThermo, Windows 10 application. Reports can be generated with data from a downloaded logger or a data file. Either way, to generate it, reach for the commands bar and press the report button. The report includes the logger identification and the log summary. The remaining content is divided in sections that you can choose to include, or not, in this dialog. Just uncheck the ones you want to leave out. By default, the full log data is included. You can easily trim the log listing that is included in the report by selecting a time interval, using the available combo boxes to select the start and end dates and times. We've included a combo box with some common preset intervals to help you make a quick choice, or use it as a starting point to tweak the interval. Let's include all the available data and move forward. We are now in a preview window, where you can see how the report will look like. You can scroll up and down using your mouse wheel, or if you're using a touch interface, by swiping up or down. If you press the Control key, along with the mouse wheel, you'll zoom in and out. Like this. With touch interface, pinch or stretch your fingers. To move between pages, use the arrows on both sides of the screen, here. To print the report, press this button in the lower right corner of the screen. There is a special system printer, which allows you to export the report to PDF. It's called Microsoft Print to PDF. Just choose this printer and press Print. Choose the folder, name the file, and press Save. Finally, let's return to the main page by pressing this back button. This completes the tutorial about mission reports. You've learned how to generate a report from mission data, print it, and export it to PDF. Thank you for watching. Please check the ExpressThermo support site or the YouTube channel for more tutorials.